empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.
Hi, it's nice to see you again in my new video. This is gonna be another episode of my tricky behind the scenes movie series. And in this episode, you can see we are now arriving at the secret forest once again. But this time, we're gonna shoot with a better light, the same equipment, and different viewpoint. To take the same environment, the same subject again and again with different light, with different trials and errors, that will help you make progress in photography really fast. My name is Yuqing, a 360 photography lover and specialized in one-shot 360 photography. If you want to start over and master your one-shot 360 camera beyond professional, this channel was made for you. And now, let me run this BTS movie for you. Now it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm now vlogging with the Insta360 1-inch Leica mod with the Blink 500 external microphone. So you can see, although I'm wearing a helmet, I put my lavalier mic inside my coat, and it's windy, but the sound quality is very good. The sunlight is really bright, and there are people running in the morning, jogging near the river. See here, and this morning sunlight really makes me feel very comfortable. Now I'm in the forest once again. You can see the sunlight is beautiful. It falls off in the forest. You can see the light, the highlight, the shadows. That's beautiful. First, before take any shooting, keep running. Let's enjoy the sunlight, enjoy the beautiful morning. And at the same time, I'm trying to observe the environment and trying to find the best possible viewpoint in this shot. You can see this one. This is a very good foreground. As you can see, if I take a shot here with the flowers as foreground and with the light, the trees, the shadows as the background, the far object, this one-shot 360 photo will be very interesting. I think I'm gonna find a very interesting viewpoint in this area because the flowers, the purple color, I like the purple colors very much. And I'm moving around this, you can see, wow, I'm going to focus my shooting spot at this area once again. The sunlight is still not high enough to light up the grass on the ground. So it's 6:30 in the morning, and I'm gonna still wait for about 10 minutes before every light is perfect. And now I'm going to set up, make preparation, and wait for the light. The setup is super simple and super easy. It's just like this. It's a mini tripod. It's just like the GoPro Shorty, the mini tripod, and the QooCam 8K. The reason why I chose the GoPro Shorty is actually a ulanzi mini tripod. I use this tripod because it will help me capture a very small nadir part, but still make the camera very stable. So this mini tripod will help you put your QooCam 8K to a very low height, which will give you a much better foreground. You can also extend the lens a little bit, which means you can adjust the height on the go. And now I'm gonna to take this photo. You can see, very simple setup, and to capture the morning glory. Okay, now you can see I am composing my first shot here, and I put the QooCam 8K this spot. As you can see, I have extended the mini tripod a little bit, and at the same time I was screen recording. Because the one-shot 360 camera will have a relatively smaller sensor, so we'd better not shoot directly to the sunlight. And here you can see in the live preview we are adjusting the viewpoint so that the flower is just intersect with the sunlight. See the change in the viewpoint. And I'm gonna put it higher, a little bit higher. Okay. Adjust every centimeter about the viewpoint. I do care the viewpoint, and I want to put this viewpoint to the very best spot. Yes, before we're gonna take this photo, we are going to hide ourselves. It's very easy to hide yourself because we are shooting this photo at very low angle. Okay, and because the sunlight is very great and you don't have to worry about the exposure, just leave it to the auto. And to retain more of the highlight, yes, use a -1 EV or -0.7. That will give you more potential in post. And if you do care about the image quality, you can take 2 sets of DNG shots, so you will altogether get 16 DNG photos to stack in RAW Plus. I think for the first shot is not good enough because for the foreground we only have a small areas that is interesting in the 360 content. When you look back, there's not so many interesting elements. So I'd better put my camera among the flowers. So when you look around, you can see many purple, green, interesting textures, lines, curves. In the live preview, it's very amazing. In the live preview, we can adjust the point of view little by little. Yeah, you can see we'd better do not take shot directly to the sunlight. Now the sunlight will not blown out this area, and it will not ruin your stitching line. And I put the camera here to capture this. Since the sun is rising very fast, so I'm gonna take this shot very quickly, because after a few seconds the sun will come out again and ruin my shot. Okay, to wrap up for this behind the scenes movie, to take the same environment, the same forest, once again, gave me some new ideas, new thinking about life, about photography, and about One-Shot 360 camera. And one more thing to share with you guys is that the environment, the situations, the environment near our houses within walking distance are exactly the best spot for us to take One-Shot 360 cameras, because we are so familiar with this environment. We know exactly when gonna be the best light condition and what equipment we should carry with us to capture the best shot. And because we are not going to have to go in too far away, so we can carry all the gears, all the stuffs, take and make any experiment we want. So why not take out your One-Shot 360 cameras and grab the beauty in your life, near your house, within walking distance, and try to find the beauty in a spot that you are already familiar with, but with a totally different, brand new viewpoint with the help of One-Shot 360 cameras. If you like this video, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Bye.